ma'am.
Good afternoon all. Today also we will continue the revision, and as you know we have 3 chapters for exam: subtraction, money and measurements, and we all covered revision of these chapters. And today we are going to revise the written test. How will be that written test of 20 marks? And for MCQ it is 30 marks. Written test is 20 marks. So today we will revise some written test questions, model questions. Okay. So all of you ready with the notebook and pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please take the
Yes,
notebook and
ma'am.
pencil. Please take a notebook and pencil.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, take, ma'am. Take, ma'am. And fresh page.
You can take a fresh page or you can continue in the same page, no problem. Written test is out of 20 marks. Okay. And we have one 2-mark
Ma'am.
question, then
Ma'am.
6 3-mark questions. Yes, tell me, Malavika.
We tried 5
Yeah.
times that we have the place. We can write
It's okay. Very good. Very good. You had written 5 times. Very good. Now,
we
when
can
is
write
this
the
exam? When is our
this page.
exam? When is our max exam? Do you know? It's on Monday, 15th.
15th March.
15th March. So, Monday
Then
we have
which
exam.
paper we write written test?
We have the written test, 20 marks written
Then
test.
we have
Because
page write 5 times. Then we can continue.
yes, you can continue there, no problem.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
chapter what? Revision test.
The same 3 chapters. From these 3 same chapters, we have
We are
20 mark
learning.
written
Ma'am,
test. Tell me, Malavika.
ma'am, 5 times we are learning spellings.
No need to write now. That 5 times we completed, no? Now we have some model questions. Okay. We have one written test is 20 mark, no? So some model questions we will revise now.
Notebook. Then we take test.
After that, no test. The
Ma'am,
same model paper I will forward in the group. So some questions we will do it now. Remaining questions you can do it at home. Okay. So let us start.
yes, ma'am. Should
Yes.
we write exam in the A4 sheet?
You can write in the A4 sheet paper, no problem. A4 sheet paper you can use, and you take the photo, you scan it, make it as a PDF and send to the mail ID given by the teacher. You will get the mail ID later. So in that you can send the paper. Okay. So mathematics only 7 questions, and in that 7 questions, one is
Write in the
question
notebook.
and 8 are 3-mark questions.
Write in the notebook.
Yeah. Now you can write in the notebook. Exam you have to write in the paper, A4 sheet paper or another paper. Now you can write in the notebook the model questions. Okay. So we have the first one.
Not A4 paper.
It's not compulsory to write in the A4 sheet paper. You can use use another paper. So before taking the photo, you have to keep it in mind that it should be clear. Then only we can correct it, no? So it should be clear. Okay. Now we can continue the questions. And we have question number 1.
Ma'am, what is the question?
I will write now. SUBTRACT. 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 Subtract 2 FROM from. Subtract 2 from.
from
Subtract 2 from 6.
6.
Subtract 2 from 6 using subtract 2 from 6 using
4. Answer 4.
NUMBER, a number. Subtract 2 from 6 using number line, LINE. SUBTRACT, subtract 2 from 6 using number line.
Krishna Priya, complete.
Very good.
Ma'am, Madrasan,
Look at the question carefully. Subtract 2 from 6. What is the meaning of that 2 from 6?
6 from 2.
6 minus 2.
Minus 2.
6 minus 2.
2.
2 from 6 means 6 minus 2. And it is written using number line. That means you have to draw the number line. We have to draw the number line. So let us
Answer
draw
4.
the number line together.
Ma'am, answer 4.
10.
Answer 4.
Answer 4. But we have to do using number line. That means you have to draw the line. Draw the number line. Okay. Now we can write the answer.
Jump.
2 from 6. That means 6 minus 2. All of you write 2.
Backward jump.
6.
Ma'am, backward jump.
Now we can draw the number line. Draw a line. Press at both ends.
Ma'am,
Then we have to mark the points, keeping equal distance between them.
ma'am, backward jump.
Maithili, where are you? Draw a line, mark the arrows at both ends, mark the points, keeping equal distance between the points.
Madrasan finished.
Very good, Mohammad Rishan. Now, starting with which number, Mohammad Rishan?
0.
Starting with the 0. Now,
Ma'am,
let's
I believe it.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the question is 6 minus 2. So minimum 6 should be there on the number line.
6 and 2 jump.
Now, what is the
6
next step?
and 2
What is the
jump.
next step? We
2
have to mark
jump.
point 6.
2 jump.
We have to mark the point 6. Now let us mark the point 6. How many jumps?
4.
How many?
2 jump.
2 jumps. Is it on the left side or right side? Left side or right side?
Left side.
It is written subtract. So we have to move to left side. Backward jumps. So we will get answer 4. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Six minus 2 is equal to 4.
Second question.
Bina Vimpi, did you draw the number line?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you mark the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Show me once again, Abhinav. Abhinav, show me once again. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Very good. Good boy. Now, shall we move to question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have question number 2. SUBTRACT. Subtract
Subtraction.
No subtraction. Subtract.
Subtract.
Subtract. USING using
Subtract using number.
SUBTRACT. Subtract. USING using. Subtract using.
Number.
VERTICAL. Vertical.
Subtraction.
Using vertical
Method.
or column method. Subtract using vertical or column method. SUBTRACT. Subtract. USING using VERTICAL. Vertical. or CLUMN. Column. METHOD. Method.
Sing vertical. E
Subtract using vertical or column method.
I C. Henry is complete.
And we have the first question A. And the question is 46 from
O R or
89.
L U M 9 minus 46.
Very good, Prarthana. Do it and show me. Subtract using vertical or column method. And we have the first one, 46 from 89. That means 89 minus 46. Now write the answer.
Ma'am, 43. Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
the answer is 43.
Very good. Answer is 43. Correct answer. Good girl.
Ma'am, answer is 43. Muhammad Richard.
Very good. Very good. Now right answer.
I get the answer 46.
Very good. Very good. Now we can write together. So answer we are writing. So 46 from 89 means 89 minus 46. Both 89 and 46 are two-digit numbers having two places, tens and ones. Now which is a bigger number?
89.
Which is a bigger number?
89.
89. Smaller number?
43.
46. Now at ones place we have 9 minus 6. What is answer? 9 minus 6. Open 9 fingers, from that to close 6 fingers. 9 minus 6. 3. Very good. Now tens place we have 8 minus 4. What is answer? 8 from that to close 4 fingers. So we get the answer 4. So the answer is 43. 4, 3, 43.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, Anaya.
Anaya showing. Ma'am, Anaya showing the book.
Anaya got the answer 43.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Anaya. I saw the notebook. Very good.
Ma'am, please show the first question. Ma'am, Muhammad Rishan showing book.
Okay, Mohammad Rishan.
Ma'am, please show the first question. Ma'am,
The first question is Subtract using number line.
Ma'am, I am showing. Last question. Which is the last question? Ma'am, please say B question.
I will see the B question.
Showing. Ma'am, I am showing.
Okay, Hayan.
Answer 43.
Answer 43. Now question B is 23 from 47. 23 from 47.
47 minus 23.
Very good. 47 minus 23. Now let me move to question number B.
Yes. Yes. Ma'am, what is a B question?
I will write now. Just 1 minute. Now we have question B. And the question is 23 from 47. Now all of you write answer. 23 from 47. What is the meaning of 23 from 47?
47 minus 23.
Very good. 47 minus 23.
24.
What is the answer?
24.
20? 24. Correct answer. Who got 24?
24.
Very good. Very good. Abhinav MP completed the first one, A.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are doing B. Yes. Now question
Ma'am,
B
I
is
know the answer.
23 from 47. That means 47 minus 23.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, Anaya, very good. Good girl. So both are two-digit numbers having two places, tens and ones. Which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number here?
47.
47.
47.
Smaller number 23. Now at ones place we have 7 minus 3. What is answer? 7 minus 3.
4.
Open 7 fingers. 3 fingers. Austin, what about 7 minus 3? What is answer? 7 minus 3, Austin?
4.
Open 7 fingers. From that close 3 fingers. What is answer?
4.
4. Now tens place we have 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. What is answer? 4 minus 2?
2.
Open 4 fingers. From that close 2 fingers.
Ma'am.
So what is answer?
2.
Austin, what is answer? You got the answer?
2. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is answer?
24.
24. The answer is 24. Show me the paper.
Finish what? Ma'am, Henry's
Okay, Henry. Abhinav, show me once again. I didn't see. What is it? Now show me the other one. First one I see. Next one. 24. Very good. Good boy. Now we have question number 3. Question number 3. It's a word problem. Okay. Question number 3 is a word problem related to subtraction. Johan Chudi completed. You got the answer 24. Yes. Raya Sakir, you got the answer.
And 3 is the word problem.
Yes, it's a word problem. Hayan, you got the answer 24.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now we have question number 3. My class. My. My.
My
CLASS.
classes.
My class
My class
HAS has.
has.
My class has
My class has
25.
25.
My class has 25 CHILDREN children. My class has 25 children. My CLASS class has 25 25.
Certain.
My class has 25 children.
Question.
If.
Ma'am, this is last question.
Yes, Prarthana?
This is last question. Ma'am, this is last question.
This is third question. Actually, we have 7 questions, but we can't do. So, how much we can do, that much we will do now. Remaining, you can do it later.
Answer
I will send
10.
the question paper in the group. Model question paper in the group.
Ma'am, answer 10.
My class has 25 children. If there are
Ma'am, this is last question.
tell me, Prarthana.
This is last question.
Not this is last question. My class has 25 children. If there are 15 boys,
Ma'am, how many boys?
15 boys, comma, how many are girls? Find out answer. My class has 25 children. If there are 15 boys, how many are girls?
Ma'am, Prathana got answer 10.
Very good. Now you write in the notebook. So 25 children are there in the class. Out of the 25, 15 are boys. We have to find the number of girls.
Ma'am, Anaya got the answer 10.
Very good, Anaya. Very good. Now please write in the notebook and show me.
Okay, ma'am.
My class has 25 children. If there are 15 boys, how many are girls? We have to find the number of girls.
Henry, 10.
Yes, Henry. Correct answer.
Got
So here we have to find the number of girls. So we have to find the difference between 25 and 15. That means 25 minus 15. 25 and 15 both are two-digit numbers having two places.
I am finished.
Tens and
I
ones.
can do. Ma'am, I get the answer. I get the answer 10.
Okay, very good. Which is a bigger number?
25.
Bigger
25.
number?
25. 50.
Now at ones place we have 5 minus 5. What is answer 5 minus 5?
0.
0. At the tens place 2 minus 1. So how many girls are there?
10.
10. Very good. There are 10 girls in my class. There are 10 girls in my class.
2 plus 1 minus 1.
There are 10 girls in my class.
Can you see my book? Ma'am, Anaya's book, ma'am, see?
Yes, Anaya?
Anaya's book, ma'am, see?
You are showing the. It's okay. It's not clear. It's okay, Anaya. You got the answer for 10 girls. Yes. Now I can see. Near to that 10, you can write the word girls. 10 girls.
Ma'am,
Yes. Tell me, my dear.
ma'am, I am finished. Completed.
Okay. Very good.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
am
Okay.
finished.
Edel ISO. 25 minus 15. 10 girls. Very good.
Ma'am, I am finished.
Ayan, show me, Ayan. Show me. I can't see. Move to left side. Okay. Left. Lift it up. Very good. 10 girls. 25 minus 15 is equal to 10 girls. Very good, Hayan. Very good. So some more questions are there that we are not doing now. We have to wind up the session. So that you can do it as what we can say revision work. Okay. The question paper I forward in the group.
Ma'am, Andrea.
Okay. Abhinav, okay, completed. You got the answer 10.
Yes, ma'am. We completed.
Austin, I saw the notebook. Very good.
Ma'am, Henry's completed.
Okay. So we have some more questions. The question paper, model question paper, I will send in the group. So you will do it. Okay. And study from the Aradi, it's okay. Very good. So study from the workbook, revision notes, and revision test. Okay. So you will get the full marks. So I am wishing all of you very best. Okay. So prepare well for the exam. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.